Welcome back. You're tuning into Market Fatafat, a show where we take you through all the buzzers in the trading session. Let's talk about the primary market and the action there. We have a new listing there, Caliber Mining, that is listed at a premium of 19%. Of course, on the IPO price. IPO price was 424 rupees per share. The stock is right now trading with gains of 13.5% right now, post the listing. But let's get more color on what is going to be the roadmap ahead for this newly listed company. Mohit, Chaddar, the chairman and managing director, Caliber Mining and Logistics. Nikhil, who's the chief financial officer, Caliber Mining and Logistics, now joining us. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining us today. Firstly, congratulations on the listing, and the part of the proceeds that you have received from the IPO will be used for debt repayment. Now, how much of this debt is currently on the books, and how much will it come down by? And so consequently, how much will the finance cost come down by?
We have a debt of about 1,000 crore in the books as of March 26. And with the IPO proceeds coming in, we will run down about 208 crores of debt. And consequently, we will have interest saving of about 25 crores, because all our debt are at 8.5 to 9% interest rates.
All right. Mohit, tell us, how has the company already has a robust order book of 9,550 crores. What is the execution timeline on this?
The execution timeline of this 9,500 crore order book ranges between 2.5 to 3.5 years, ma'am.
Right. Nikhil, given the strong order book position, how much revenue growth will you see in FY27 and for the next 3 years on a CAGR basis?
We will not be able to tell anything about the future numbers right now. But you can see our strong order book which is there, and as Mohit bhai said, we have an execution time period of 2.5 to 3.5 years.
All right. Back to you, Mohit. Maharashtra remains the company's largest revenue contributor, but we believe that the company is also expanding into the eastern part of India. What is your growth strategy here?
Presently, the major businesses comes from Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and a bit of Chhattisgarh. And as we have told earlier also, we will be very soon entering Jharkhand and Odisha. The cash flow which we will be getting from the IPO receipts will strengthen the books and make further order availability available for Caliber due to the cash liquidity.
Right. Also, Mohit, tell us any other expansion plans, either geographic expansion or otherwise?
As on time, if you see, we only can say that we have got 9,500 crores worth of order book, a critical mineral block available in Sindhudurg on the borders of Maharashtra, Goa. And thirdly, the company plans to expand its business into Jharkhand and Odisha.
Got it. Nikhil, the company's main client as of now is Coal India. Are there any plans of client diversification going ahead?
If you see the Coal India being the largest reserves they are holding in India. So more than 80%, 90% of the reserves are held by Coal India only. So they are bound to be our largest customer. But we work with multiple subsidiaries of Coal India, and they are independent entities like WCL, NCL. And if you see last 6 months, 2 of the companies of Coal India got listed. So they are an independent customer. Apart from that, we also work with couple of other private customers like GMR, Dhariwal, and couple of them, yeah.
Right. Finally, talk to us about what does the growth roadmap ahead look like for the company, say for the next 5 years?
9,000 order book currently in hand, with the plans to venture into two new states and the exploration of the Sindhudurg block. As on time, we can only comment on these parts, but we don't know what is the way forward. We'll keep updating as and when it gets updated.
I would just like to add on, we keep exploring a couple of opportunities as and when they come, and based on the profitability and the project ROI, we will evaluate and go further in that.
All right. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining us in, and a very congratulations on the successful IPO.